Hello, I am going to make some, wall hanging ornaments, I guess because they're round, they're ornaments, but I saw these online and I thought they were super cute. And then I had these are embroidery hoops. This is the outside part. There's an inside part that goes in there that I already used for another project over the summer. So I was hanging on to these just for this. So I think that they use like scrapbook paper, but I wanted to use gift wrap, and there's a reason why, because these are like my special gift wrap that I've had for years and years, to the point where there's like barely anything on these and I'll be like, yell at my husband and say, don't use the good gift wrap. So like, this is how little there is of this one, and it's so silly, but it's like, it's sentimental. So if you have any type of paper, scrapbook paper or something that you like, I just didn't know what to do with this, and I've been holding on to it, so now I'm gonna make decorations. I have literally just enough to do this little one, and then I'm gonna do the other two and the bigger one, and then I'm gonna add little details, like I'm gonna paint these gold, and it's gonna go on this one. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna start by painting all of these, and I'm gonna use my gold gilding again that I have. You could use spray paint or regular paint. You can even stain it, which is what I did with the inner pieces, but I want to use the gold gilding because that's what I like. So that's what I'm gonna start with. So I finished painting. I painted one side because it's gonna go up against the wall. I haven't painted these. I don't know if I'm going to. I kind of like the silver, but I might change it to gold. And I painted these. So what we're gonna do is we're going to attach the wrapping paper, and I don't, because the wrapping paper is so thin and I kind of want to protect it, I have some poster board I get from the dollar store. I'm gonna circle it, trace it, cut it down, and then attach the wrapping paper to this, and then this to the board. I'm gonna use double-sided tape, I think, or I have a glue stick to attach the paper to this, and then I'll use hot glue to attach this to this. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be using this for another craft, but I actually didn't want this on there. So I think it's gonna be really good to use it on this. If I can just get it off. It's hot glued on there. There we go.